Google Sheets is one of the most versatile tools for organizing, analyzing, and sharing data. And today we'll cover the basics to get you started quickly. When you first open Google Sheets, think of it as a digital spreadsheet where rows and columns meet to store information. You can start by entering simple data, like numbers, text, or dates, and then format it to make it easier to read. For example, bold your headers, adjust column widths, and use colors to highlight important cells. One of the first powerful features to learn is formulas. Even beginners can start with sum to add up numbers or average to find the mean of a range. Google Sheets also has autofill, which lets you quickly copy formulas or sequences without manually typing each one. Another important tip is sorting and filtering. This allows you to organize your data alphabetically, numerically, or by specific conditions, making it easier to analyze. Collaboration is another key strength. You can share your sheet with others, control permissions, and even work in real time with colleagues or classmates. Plus, Google Sheets automatically saves your work in the cloud, so you don't have to worry about losing your data. By understanding these basics, you'll be able to create clean, organized, and functional spreadsheets in no time. If this guide helped you get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tips and tricks to make Google Sheets work for you.